Assalamu alaikum. My name is Neil Hawkins and I'm the Australian High Commissioner here in Pakistan. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all my Pakistani brothers and sisters on the 75th anniversary of their independence. Australia was one of the first countries to recognise the new nation of Pakistan in 1947. Not many people will have heard of Muhammad Hassan Musa Khan. He was born in Pakistan in Karachi in 1863 and he moved to Australia where he was a camel trader, but he also established the first mosque in Western Australia in 1904. Today we have nearly 100,000 Australian Pakistanis who contribute and enjoy living in our multicultural society. Not many Pakistanis know that if you eat chickpeas, they're likely to come from Australia. And not many Australians know that if you buy textiles in Australia's leading stores, they probably come from Pakistan. Of course, Pakistan and Australia share a passion for cricket. We were heartened by the welcome that we got in our first men's cricket tour of Pakistan in 24 years. And we all know is the T20 in October-November this year, the World Cup. Pakistan will come to Australia and we look forward to some great matches and we look forward to welcoming the team to Melbourne. Azmi, Ali Shan, Shad, Rihai, Pakistan.